Please show me a valid contract and an assignment of consent. I don't require any of that, sir. I am not under your statutes and acts. Statutes are legislative rules given the force of law by the consent of the governed. I am a minister of universal law. You should all know how to speak to ministers. Do you know how to speak to a minister? I am not under your jurisdiction. I overstand your jurisdiction. सर आप ये बताइए कौन सा लॉ तोड़ा है पहले?
आप आईडी दिखाइए।
नहीं, and in fact I'm not going to show you an ID till the time you don't tell me which law I've broken.
आप आईडी दिखाइए।
First, you are a police officer. I need to identify you as police officers. Show me your IDs and give me your badge numbers right now. It's on video. Sumit Kumar PSI. Give me your number. Show me a contract you have with me to even talk to me. I am your secured party creditor. You are my debtor. सर जी आप सब लॉ तोड़ रहे हैं, आपको सबको मालूम होना चाहिए आप लॉ तोड़ रहे हैं। यू सर आई विल अरेस्ट यू अदरवाइज। आई विल अरेस्ट यू अदरवाइज। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? आई विल अरेस्ट यू अदरवाइज। आई विल अरेस्ट यू अदरवाइज। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? आई डू नॉट हैव टू लिसन टू एनीथिंग यू से सर। कम ऑन, यू आर ब्रेकिंग द लॉ। What are statutes? Answer me. I know I'm going to ask the questions, you're going to answer me. I'm going to ask the questions, you're going to answer me. What are statutes? What I was, no, I'm, अच्छा चलो सुनाओ।
सुन तो रहे नहीं आप। I'm extremely sorry, मैंने अभी गाड़ी का नंबर नहीं देखा। ठीक है, मेरे को लगा कोई नॉर्मल।
Oh, now you're sorry. Now you're sorry. Now you're sorry. You're breaking the law. You are under arrest. Is what you are.
जो करना आप कर सकते हैं।
You are a private limited company. Where is your contract?
मेरी बात सुनिए।
Where is your contract?
I'm not a private.
Where is your assignment of consent? No, you must know the law. Legislate.
I know.
What are statutes? What are statutes? What are statutes? Sir, आप सबको मालूम होना चाहिए ये आप सब law break कर रहे हैं। All of you are breaking the law.
मैंने अभी गाड़ी का नंबर नहीं देखा।
I don't care. You have no authority. All of you are my debtors right now. Show me your ID card right now. Show me your ID card. You are the one who stopped me. You are impersonating a police officer right now. You are raping me of my rights to travel freely. You are impersonating a police officer. You are under arrest.
आप जो करना आप कर सकते हैं।
You.
मैंने आपको रोका था।
Now you show me your ID. On what is your authority? Who has given you your authority to act? Who has given your authority to act? Who has given your authority to act? That ID, whatever ID you want has been secured. You are my debtor. You are my debtor. Even they are Minister Amovin. अरे सर कुछ नहीं आपसे
नहीं सुनो मैंने आपकी गाड़ी का नंबर नहीं देखा।
सुनो
मैं बस मान गया।
आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि आपकी द गवर्नमेंट कम्स अंडर द सुनिए सर लिसन यू आई डोंट
नो आपको हो जाए
नहीं
मेरे को
prove to me that I am injuring a party, then you can apply your statutes and acts on me. What are statutes? Statutes are legislative rules given the force of law by the consent of the governed. If I am the governed, show me a contract you have with me. If I have given you consent, then show me an assignment of consent. Right now, before, when I stand here, you do not have the right to do anything. I have not given you any consent. Delete that right now. Delete it. Delete it right now. And even that, sir, that, because I am your secured party creditor, this is evidence for me of you guys breaking the law. All of you break it. Stop it. I will arrest you. Do you understand that? I am your secured party creditor. Do you understand that or not? You are my debtor. डंडा किसी और को दिखाइयो।
भाई मेरी बात सुनो।
अरे एक सेकंड भाई। No, you are still breaking the law. Okay, prove to me. Prove to me that coronavirus exists and that mask is saving you. That mask is saving you. Sir, you have a contract with the government, with the corporation. The government is a legal entity. It is a corporation. You all are corporate employees. Sir, आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि आप लॉ तोड़ रहे हैं और हम पीपल्स प्रोटेक्शन पेट्रोल हैं. Sir, you are breaking universal law. आप सर
सर हमको तो जो
सर एग्जैक्टली आपको मालूम नहीं है सर, आपको मालूम नहीं है. हम आपको जागृत कर रहे हैं सर. वी आर 1 सेकेंड. आप एक सर वेबसाइट खोल लीजिए. Otherwise, I am obliged under the law to arrest all of you right now.
आपको अरेस्ट करवाना आप करा सकते हैं, मेरा कोई
करवाना नहीं सर, मैं ही करूंगा.
कर लो।
मैं आपके ऊपर
कर
हाथ डाल
लीजिए।
के बोल सकता
कर
यू आर अंडर
लीजिए।
अरेस्ट.
कर लीजिए,
You are under
कर
arrest.
लीजिए, कर लीजिए।
Otherwise, will you arrest me? Otherwise.
मैं नहीं कर सकता आपको arrest, मैं आपको
Exactly.
करूंगा।
Sir, you are my
I cannot
debtors.
arrest you.
You are exemplifying that debtors can now make a claim against the secured party
You are
creditors.
exempted from every law, I know. But I did not see your car number.
I don't care whether you saw. You cannot stop any car. It is all secured by us, by Universal Law Community Trust. Your name, your name, your name, your name. Everyone's name is secured under Universal Law Community Trust, and that is why you're breaking the law because you are claiming against, falsely claiming against your secured party creditor right now.
भाई आपको
Sir, आपको. Sir, why don't you talk to me? This is Minister Amovan, that is Minister Amovan, I am Minister Amovan. That number plate is secured under universal law. Sorry, we're implying commerce. अभी उनका number भी change कर लेंगे हम. But you don't have the authority to stop anyone. नहीं, they are not in your
वो
authority.
दिल्ली का नंबर है, ठीक है?
They don't recognize it. They don't recognize it.
वो दिल्ली का नंबर है, वो मेरे को पता है, ठीक है? आप नहीं आ रहे, मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, आप बस के लिए सॉरी बोल रहा हूँ, मैंने आपका गाड़ी का नंबर नहीं देखा।
Sir, it is secured. It is secured.
डीएल नंबर है यार।
Sir, it is secured.
तो दिखाओ ना,
It is secured.
तो प्रूफ दिखाओ।
Show him your assignment of consent. Sir, एक second. हर चीज में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है ना.
तो हमने तो कुछ कहा ही नहीं, कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं किया आपके साथ।
सर पहले तो
आप वैसे ही चिल्ला रहे हो।
अच्छा ठीक है. नहीं सर क्या बात कर रहे हो? You're stopping me from traveling on the road that is my collateral. Sir, your uniform is my collateral. His name has been secured. Saab ji, you have to identify yourself. Remove the phone and show me your card.
भाई साहब आप बात को बढ़ा ही रहे हो।
सर यूनिवर्सल लॉ कम्युनिटी ट्रस्ट नहीं आप सर साइड आइए अरे नहीं सुनो अरे काम तो कर लेंगे बात ये फिर कर लेंगे नहीं आप सर आप
अरे भाई वो दवाई देनी जरूरी है कोई ना
यूनिवर्सल
हाँ समझा भाई हाँ
उतारो मास्क डोंट डू ऑल दिस बुलशिट यूनिवर्सल लॉ कम्युनिटी ट्रस्ट फोन पे खोल लो
ये